Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, let's just talk about loving the skin that you're in, okay? We're going to talk about some skin scents, and I love a good your skin but better type of fragrance. I don't know. It just does something to me in this hot heat when I don't want to put on all the extraness or very heavy fragrances. A good old skin scent sits mighty nice for me. And I have some fragrances that I wanted to come to the table and tell you what I have been loving, enjoying, and rocking. So when I talk about skin scents, this has to be a part of the lineup for sure. And I'm talking about none other than Clean Reserved Skin. Yes, you all know this beauty right here. It is such a your skin but better. But to me, it even has like this marine feel to it, okay? It has a latonic, it has some musk, it has a vanilla smell to me, which is that vanilla orchid in it. And it also has a beautiful salt note. Yes, if you all know anything about this channel, you know I love a good salty note. And again, this kind of marine, latonic flare fragrance. This is so beautiful for me and my skin. I love this down. I have received so many compliments. I always receive compliments. And look, like I use this down. Like this compare with so many different fragrances. And that's what I also love about skin scents. You don't even have to think about what should I pair this with, right? What combination can I come up with? Like a lot of your skin scents can go with you in any setting, in any combination you want to create. Skin scents are the perfect pairing best friends. And I love a good old Clean Reserve from Skin. So if you're interested, I do know that Sephora carries this brand and probably a lot of other, Dillard's or Neiman's, probably maybe a lot of other different places, but I do know Sephora definitely carries this brand, and you should pick this up or at least get your nose on it because this is absolutely a beautiful scent that I think you would be able to enjoy and love down as much as I do. Another beautiful skin fragrance that has a musk note in it. I love this down. I've mentioned this quite a few times on this channel. Now, I don't know if you're still going in Target. I haven't been to Target in quite a while. But if you're still shopping in that realm, Finery I'm a Musk is perfect. It is beautiful. I love this down. As you can see from the dent, if you can see it, it's a white bottle, so you might not be able to see it, but this is beautiful. I mean, again, I pair this with quite a bit of fragrances, but this is so good. This can go for your Netflix and chill. If you want a bedtime scent, if you want to just throw on something to run errands, this is such a great fragrance. I love this down. This is probably one of my favorite fragrance from the Finery lineup. I love this. This is probably one of my top 2, I would say. There's another one out there that is also good. It kind of reminds me of Baccarat, but anyway, this is so good. So if you are a musk lover, your skin but better, you want something light, refreshing, but still makes an impact and still has you smell good, this is it. Now, this is definitely more in your bubble, okay? So you're not going to turn all the heads in the world unless you have a great pairing combination. You'll definitely turn some heads. But this alone is not going to turn everybody in the room, but that's okay. If somebody's in your bubble, they will definitely be able to smell you, and girl, you're going to be smelling so good, okay? Moving on. Next up, I have to mention this brand. This is a flanker, okay? I will just say. This is from Victoria's Secret, and this is Bare Rose. Okay, you all know there is a bear out there, and I think they also have another bear out there. But this is definitely one of those your skin but better, has the molecule type of reminiscence in here that like kind of goes with your body chemistry. Okay, so this might smell different on me and it might smell different on you, but this rose, when I want something just very simple, like easy, bare, like still fresh, clean, simplistic, when I want something like that that has a rose note in it, I look to Bare. And as you can see, honey, she is Bare. Okay, I use her up. So you can tell I use this down. All right, this is so good. So if you love a good, refreshing rose scent, this is one to definitely add to your collection, because this one, I've had some bring all the boys in here. She does her thing. She does her fizzle. She's a little quiet, fierce rose, okay? So if you're looking for something that might be silent but makes impact, check out Victoria's Secret Bare Rose. Next up, if you love a good powdery, woody, clean type of scent, maybe a little bit even of aquaticness to it, look no further than Narciso Poudre. This is so good. One of the most, to me, beautiful, powdery, simplistic fragrances in my collection. I love this. I know we don't talk about her as often, but listen, she is such a good comfort hug, right? If you want, again, another bedtime scent, your skin but better, but like a powdery touch to it, okay? This is one to check out. I love this. This is probably in your collection because she's been around the block, okay? She's not new. She's not new to this. She is true to this. But when I say this makes me feel so pretty, so put together without trying, I love her down. Now, would I say I would love her to last until eternity and eternity of time? Sure, but it doesn't. But she is still good and does what she needs to do with your powdery, that musk, that floral of a rose. Like, this is one to definitely get into your collection. You probably can get this on a steal deal because Joma Shop, I'm sure it carries this. Your Fragrance X probably carries this. Definitely the gray market will give you a really good deal on this, but you have to like a good powdery note. So if you don't like that powdery, baby powder, rosy type of fragrance, this is not going to work for you. But this is definitely one of those my skin but better, because I just feel like I got out the shower and freshened up, and I feel like it's my skin and I didn't try hard at all. Okay, moving on. And last but certainly not least, this luxury peach citrus type of fragrance, musk, all the things. Again, your skin but better, very pleasant. I love it. I love the fresh that it gives. And she has an exclusive that I need to get my lovely hands on. But I can't stop talking about her, and that is Valaya. Okay, I love this down. Definitely your skin but better, in all the goodness of luxury. To me, this is great. Like white t-shirt, like t-shirt and jeans. Like, this is so pleasant and luxury. She doesn't have to try hard to make an impact in a room. Like, this is so beautiful. I can see you wearing this at a wedding. I can see you wearing this at a show. I wore it to the movie theater. This is such a great fragrance. You can go to the mall with this. You can probably ride even a horse with this, okay? So Valaya is just excellent and beautiful. Your skin but better. It is absolutely one to get your nose on and see if you vibe with the fragrance. Well, that's all. That's all, family, for my Your Skin But Better. Love the skin that you're in, okay? Absolutely love the skin that you're in. If you love a good skin fragrance, I would love to know what are some of your favorites, okay? I love, again, those not trying so hard fragrances, especially during some hot season. And we've been seeing some 90s. We've also been seeing some triple digits, which is crazy, okay? And so when my sweat wants to sweat, I love a good Your Skin But Better. Even some of my gym girlies, these are fragrances that you definitely would want to check out, okay? Well, fam, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.